If you're using a messenger app and want to enable chat heads, you can do that. Chat heads are those little icons you see on the side of your screen. You can move them wherever you want. They show your recent chats, and when you tap one, it takes you straight to that chat. It's a handy feature. In this video, we'll explain how to enable chat heads on Messenger. To do this, open the Messenger app. Then, tap the menu button. Once you do, you'll see a Settings option. Tap on Settings, and as you scroll down, you'll find the chat heads option. Sometimes it's turned off, so you won't see those profile photos as chat heads. If you want to enable them, just toggle the switch on. After that, if someone messages you and you minimize the app, you'll see their profile photo as a chat head. Even if you exit Messenger, that photo will stay there. So, when a new message comes in, just tap the chat head, and you'll quickly jump to that chat. That's how you can easily enable chat heads on Messenger. Hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.